324 and 3 root 2 again. So either you can see what is the common factor here right away. If you can, well and good. If you don't worry. You just use the basic rule. This is 3 root 2 is actually equal to x. So 3 root 2 to the power x would be 324. Now let's try looking at 324 and try factorizing it, because bases have to be same for me to find out this, right? So if I factorize this 2 with the 2, then this will be 162. Then I do this 2, 81. Then I do with this 3, this will be 27. I do with this 3, 9, 3, 3. So what I get is the 324 as 3 to the power 4 into 2 square. At this, can I write this as 3 root 2 to the power x as 3 root 2 to the power 4 on the right side? So directly from here, I can say that x is equal to 4. So this is the way